In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change ammo in War Thunder. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly swap the equipped ammo for a tank or any other vehicle available in War Thunder. So, to do this, the best way is going to be before you spawn. So before you spawn or in the test drive menu, you can click on the picture of the shell and this will give you a drop down box. Now you can choose which ammo type you would like to equip in that slot. So modifications will allow you to choose which ammo you want on your tank and you will be able to swap between all of them. You will be able to use them in battle as long as they are equipped here on the loadout before you go in. And of course, this works for planes as well. So for example, in your hangar, select a plane, go to the weapons tab, mouse over where you can find the ammo, for example, offensive 7.7 millimeter, and you will see the same drop down menu where you can choose the specific ammo that you would like to equip on that slot. You will be able to see which types of rounds are used, pick up whichever you prefer, and so on. There's a lot of customization that you can do, and for this video, I'm not going to go over too much detail on what is best, what the meta is, and what is recommended. You should do this research on your own, but to answer the question in the title of this video, swapping between the ammo types is as simple as selecting the ammo box or the icon before going in. So in your loadout, choose the ammo and you will see the drop down menu with all of the available types that you can swap between freely. They should be available from the get-go for every single vehicle and you will have plenty of customization options available that you can choose according to what is best for that situation. You should be able to use them and you will see them on your loadout. I hope I was able to help you on how to change ammo in War Thunder. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.